Jai Hind everyone, my name is Vinay. I hails from Sajapur, about 80 km far from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I did 10 plus 2 from MP board and secured 81% marks. I did BSc from Barkatullah University with science stream. Now I am preparing for CDS examination. My hobbies are making friends and listening songs. I did NCC A level certificate and participated in NCC and NSS camps too. I want to join Indian Air Force to be a part of most respected armed forces and to make my dreams come true. The topic of discussion is firecrackers. Firecrackers, there are pros and cons of firecrackers. Using firecrackers, there are a very low cons. There are not such any cause that we should use firecrackers. We need to ban them completely because there are lots of bad impacts of using firecrackers, such as air pollution, sound pollution. Because of air pollution, that may be caused of health illness and many lungs problems, breathing problems, and also increasing the climate change. And because of sound pollution, that is affecting our mindset, our mental health in a negative way. That may be cause of sometime irritation, stress. So we need to use firecrackers in a limit if we are not able to hamper or stop their use. And the another thing is, because of using firecrackers, that may be cause of any bad incident by using them, like fire broke at that proper place, and because of this economic economic loss may be happen. And because of using firecrackers, economic loss also happen. There is not any beneficial outcome by using firecrackers, so we need to ban them completely. And if firecrackers are banned, then that will be beneficial positively for the each and every person of our country. If a person uses firecrackers, then he will invest money, and there will not any proper outcome of that. And how is it benefited for a proper person? And the another thing, because of using firecrackers, the children are also involving and initiating using firecrackers from their childhood. And that may be caused of any bad incident, such as crackers burst in their hands. They are near the crackers and they are busted, so that can affect them in a very bad way. So we need to, and government need to ban the firecrackers completely. To ban these firecrackers, we can do such things. We can aware people by telling them that you are investing money and there will not any outcome. Also affect the environment in a very negative way. We can or the government can advertise through any medium like social media, television, or anywhere. By doing this, we can also reduce the air pollution. And the water pollution also sometimes maybe happen because of this. So, and we need to start campaign, awareness campaign, with the help of NSS school level, and the child to aware the children of our country, the youth of our country, the old age people of our country. Then by doing this, we can interdict the firecrackers, not a short time, but in a long time we can we can hamper the use of firecrackers. Thank you. Jai Hind. Please subscribe, like.